Surface treatment is an integral part of the machine quality. This process has a significant impact on the lifespan of the product. Before arriving at the painting booth, the items to be painted must go through various stages. The parts attached to the conveyor lines first arrive in the shot blasting booth. Here, up to 2,300 kg of steel grids are projected per minute by 12 turbines against the metal to be painted. This step ensures a thorough cleaning and roughening of the metal, which considerably increases the adhesion of the paint. More fragile parts, such as hydraulic motors or assemblies which are likely to be damaged by the shot blasting process, are first washed with a grease remover and then with 60 degrees Celsius high pressure water. After drying, they then join the shot blasted parts in order to be painted. A coat of epoxy primer is first applied using an electromagnetic process. The primer is magnetically charged and is attracted to the metal to be painted. This guarantees a better adhesion and prevents paint losses. After pre-drying, a final coat of two-component polyurethane is applied using the same electromagnetic process. The parts then leave this area to go through a 60 degrees Celsius hot air zone for an accelerated drying. Once these have cooled, they are transported by rail to the assembly line or to the storage areas.